So the Hummer's down again. I ordered a Corvette servo online on eBay, hoping to make it last a little longer, but I don't know what the hell happened. But my second gear is pretty much doesn't want to shift out of it, and it tacks right up. And occasionally it works okay, but I don't know. I don't know if it burnt something up or what. But I I took that servo back out and took me a couple hours. I don't know. It was jammed in there for some unknown reason. Uh, I put my factory back in, and it still didn't help. My guess is I was doing a little research after, but there's the blue roll O-ring, and then on the cover, and then a red O-ring on the piston, or supposed to be. And come to find out, the one that I put in there had a blue O-ring that was the same size as the cover O-ring, so I'm guessing that's why it jammed up and screwed up my transmission. Um, yeah, so I don't know what to do. I'm tired of spending money. I'm pretty broke right now. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll spend $300 and rebuild the other transmission in the basement I got and put that back in. But I don't even feel like spending that money right now. So if you're gonna do a Corvette servo, make sure it's got the right O-rings on it. I mean, I should have did a little more research before I bought it and put it in. I don't know if the company that sold it even knew. They refunded me the money, but I'm still pissed. You know, I'm out of transmission. Uh, no, I'll give another update down the road here when my shit's working again. Later.